Hey, what's up everyone? Alex here with ToolRev, and today we're looking at a couple of 1-inch PEX expanders from Milwaukee. So we have the brushed 2432 versus the brushless 2532. Both are 12 volt tools that expand 3/8 to 1-inch PEX pipe. Both come with a trigger lock, a reversible belt hook, and a work light. And between the two of these, you can see this one's a little bit more top heavy, kind of wants to fall down a little more. It's also a little bulkier. The trigger sticks out a little further. I can actually wrap my hand around this and touch my fingers. I can't do that with the Fuel. So this one's a little smaller, it's a little lighter. I ran these two against each other using 3/4 inch PEX A, 10 pumps each, fully charged batteries. Check it out. So the brushless is a little bit faster. I guess we should talk about the whole rapid seal thing. They're saying either one of two things. One, you get a faster seal with this one because it finishes first versus this one. Or the other thing that I've seen over the past few weeks messing around with these as well as the DeWalt is it seems like the faster the expansion of the plastic pipe, the faster it contracts by a second or two. So that could be what they mean. Anyway, so this is the 2532-2020 for bare tool, which in this case comes with 3 expansion heads. You get the 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1-inch expander heads. You get a tube of expansion cone grease to keep the cone lubricated, and you get the case. And over here we have this is the 2432-22 kit, and this comes -22 means 2 batteries. You get 2 1.5 amp hour batteries with these type of batteries, and you get a 12 volt charger, a tube of expansion grease, and the same heads. Only this case has a cutout for if you want to carry a dual 12 20 volt charger. So you can fit that in there. It doesn't fit in here. And then only this one has a cutout, a deeper cutout, so you can carry it with the belt hook reversed. The one thing I haven't tried, and where they say the brushless really comes into its own over the brushed, is with 1-inch PEX. So we're going to do that together. Get a little lubrication on there. Slide our sleeve on there. Fully charged 2.5 amp hour battery, or at least it's got 4 bars. And this time we're gonna do 12. I'm gonna do 13 pumps. All right, here we go. All right, in, out, in, up, that's it. Boom. See, look at that. The faster the expansion, oh, I didn't get out, yeah, that's it. So that really does seem like the faster the expansion, the faster the contraction. And what is going on with this one? How's the battery doing? Let's see. Yep, still got 4 bars. I think that settles it. I would just go with the brushless. I'm sold. I hope this information helps you out, and I will see you guys on the next one.
I don't know. I think I can still shoot right there.